Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make this beautiful fabric earrings in a very creative way. So I have already uploaded some videos of fabric jewelry on this channel before. Do watch them if you haven't watched yet. Today we are going to make these earrings in a combination of mirror and fabric in a very creative and innovative way. So I hope that you will like this tutorial. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up to it. And if you are new here, do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing and innovative jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now let's get started. The material required is fabric. I have taken sky blue color. Then the base, cardboard base, Gantan mala, round mirror, golden boost chain, baby bond glue, cutter, safety pin, plier, and I'm taking this bottle as a base to make a ring or to make a circle. So first of all, I'm taking this base and with the help of pen and I'll draw a circle. Now we cut this circle. I usually do shortcuts to make a shape. So to make a half circle, I never draw a half circle, but rather I do draw a full circle and then divide it in two so that it becomes half. So this way, so half circle is done. Now I'm taking this fabric and with the help of baby bond glue, we'll stick it here. Okay, so I'm adding this. So we'll wait for it to dry up. Until the time it is getting dried up, what we'll do is we'll make a stud of mirror. For that I'm taking this fabric again and I'll add glue here first and I'll take a mirror and I'll measure now. I'll cut this extra part of this glue. Now we will again have another layer. two layers of these golden beads are done. Now we will add layer of diamond gem. So first of all I will measure this. These all are required. Okay, so our stud is ready. Now I'll cut the extra part of this. I always prefer to cut from back side because it's easy to cut it from back side. Now I'm taking this another designer shape to strengthen the base. So what I'll do is I'll first draw drawn the outline and I'll cut this. And I'll insert this third in this. Like glue here. You can also add a glue to this main base. So we'll wait for it to dry and then we'll start the further process. So guys, you can see this has dried up properly, and now we will attach this to our main fabric base. For the same, what we'll do is we will not simply attach this. I'm going to insert this here at the top end and we'll attach this half circle. So with the help of Fevibond glue, I'm going to add this. I'm going to make a half circle here. It will cover this stud and a little bit downside. And now we'll apply this here. Now we will do back finishing also. For that, I'm taking this fabric and I will add glue here to the edges of this earring. Make sure to add ample amount of glue. I'll keep this for my convenience. Okay. So we are almost done. We just have to attach gantan mala here. So we will wait for it first to get this dry, and once this is dry, we will attach gantan mala. So this has dried almost. We will do back finishing of this. once this is done, we'll add dangles to this, and then we are done. Okay, so I have cut this. Now we will add dangles of Ganthan Mala. Before that, what we'll do is I'm taking this safety pin and I'll make a hole here with that. Okay, now I'm taking Ganthan Mala and jump strings. So I'll insert one jump ring first in the hole and we'll add 2 Ganthan Malas in this. With the help of plier, I'll close this jump ring. Wrap it very firmly. Oh, we have to add 2, sorry. We have to add 2 Ganthan Malas in this. Okay, so we have to add 2, not 1 Ganthan Mala. So similarly we have to do it for 4, so I'll quickly do that. So guys, I have completed this. You can see it has turned out to be very pretty. And here is another earring. I hope that you found this video helpful. If so, please go ahead and like it. Share it with your like-minded friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. You can also put your valuable comments in the comment box and let me know what would you like to see next. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.